what if you don't want to get near the spiders? What if you don't want to get near the gross stuff? Put this on the end of your extender pole. You can clean at a distance.
Welcome to DunWunna, making Dullsville fun.
I have this idea. If you have a PacVac vacuum cleaner, 1, you don't have to worry about dragging them around. 2, it makes you feel like you're a spaceman. 3, it has this really long extender pole. See how long this thing is? Then a lot of people use this tip all the way up here near your hand. Now what if you don't want to get near the spiders? What if you don't want to get near the gross stuff? Put this on the end of your very long extender pole and you can clean at a distance. Watch this! I'm getting all these spots. I don't have to bend down, I don't have to use my knees, I don't have to get up, I don't have to get near the spiders, I don't have to get near the gross food that's fallen along the floor. I think it's a great method. Well, there's been a spider in this corner, I think, for about 6 months. I didn't want to bother him. I moved the bin today, and because I got such a long reach, I also have great courage. I might vacuum the ceiling. There's a lot up there. It'd be better if this had a brush. Now we can clean lights. You can clean the wall. This method for really gross stuff, high to reach places, and the bugs. This is the most enjoyable vacuum cleaning I've ever experienced. I will whip clean every house. Me and my jetpack could visit a house near you. We got rid of all the bugs that were making themselves at home here. Don't waste the vinegar on your mop. Just mop everything. You can vacuum everything and mop everything. Less effort, more clean. I think we are clean.